What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to read a candlestick. Okay, this is a very important. You have to learn how to read a candlestick and formulate how they're open, how they're closed. This will actually help you in your trading decision. Okay, so this will be a two-part series. I will be showing you how to read candlestick and how it is formed, and in the next video I will be showing you how to use it in trading. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so I'm at this free online whiteboard, so I'm going to show you how it started. Alright, so initially, right, for each and every candlestick we have a high, we always have a high, right? We have a open, excuse my handwriting. We have a close, alright, and we have a low. So these are all the components that a candlestick is made up of. Okay, and it has a high, an open, close, and a low, right? So if we have a candlestick, all right, let's say we have a red candlestick. This candlestick, let me use the red one. Let's say we have a red candlestick, right? And this one is the green one, all right? Red, a long wick, and let me just quickly do this. Alright, now for the red candle, right, normally we say price is going down when we see the red candlestick, right? Now how will you normally read this candlestick, the red one per se? So the top of it, this right here, the wick to the top, this would be considered as the high. Alright, this is a high. So right here for this section where it opens, right, this is called the open. Alright, so the next part of it, which is this part right here, this is called the close. Alright, and at the bottom, the last one, this is called the low. Alright, so let's recap. So the top, this is the high, this is the open, right, and it pushes down all the way to the low and came up and closed right here. Alright, so for a red candlestick, a bearish candlestick, the candlestick will open up here, right, at this, let's say this is $10. It will open right here, right? It will push up to a high of, let's say, $15, right? After it pushes to the high, the sellers step in place and push the price all the way down, right? All the way down to like $5, right? And then it and push it up back, right, to close at like $6, right? And you would fill in the body like this, and this is how it's formed. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So price opens at $10, right? it went up to a high of $15, right? And then it pushes all the way down to a low of $5 and came up and closed at $6. And this is why it's red or sometimes black, because the open is higher than the close. So price opens and the price close low. Let's jump to the green candle, and we say that would be a bullish candle, right? So in this now, this is the high, which is this right here, would be the same, and the low would be the same. What is different about the green candle is that the open and close is flipped. Okay, so this now would be the open at the bottom, right? And at the top right here, this would be the close. Alright, so what we're saying is that price open at around $20, right? Alright, then price pushes down to a low of like $7. Let's say $17, right? And then after that, it pushes up to the top, right? All the way up, made a high of let's say $30, right? But then sellers came back in to the market, right, and pushed it down slightly, and the day closed at let's say $23. Okay, so this is how a bullish candlestick is formed. All right, and for every candlestick, that's how they're formed. Okay, and what you guys should know is that each candlestick is represented on a time frame. So the time frame that you have will determine the length of the candlestick. So if I am on the daily chart, a candlestick on the daily chart is equal to 1 day, meaning that it takes a day to be formed. Okay, sorry about my black candles. I don't really use I don't use colors to trade, like so let me just do this for you guys. Put it in green, it's in red per se. Alright, just to satisfy you guys. Alright, so I'm on the daily chart. So for the daily chart, one of these candles, like this candle, takes a day to be formed. Every candle on this chart takes a day to be formed. Alright, everyone, no matter the size or the length of it, it takes a day. Alright, and if I'm on the 4 hour, each candlestick on the 4 hour chart, it takes 4 hours to be formed. Okay, likewise, if you're on the minute, each candlestick will take a minute, and you can see the time, the countdown on the the right hand side, if needs be. Alright, now let me give you a full-on demonstration. Alright, so let me go a bit lower to like the 5-minute chart, right, and see that 5 seconds, 5 minutes, it takes a while. Alright, so now we can see from here, okay, we can see that this candlestick is a red candle. It's a bearish candlestick. So the price, right, it opens, look on the left, it opens at 100.05 right? It made an high, right, of 100.05 something. And push all the way down to make a low of 100.3 and close right here at 100.36 there above. Okay, now the same goes for the green candle. Okay, price opens right here, made a high, a small wick like this is like a micro pip, right? Push up, push down, create the low right here, then closes right here. Okay, so that's how it's formed. We will take a look at candlestick patterns and in the next video, and where we should identify these patterns in order to enter a trade. Alright, so that's it. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.